classic palm tree lined street, and the Hollywood sign is right there.
We're going up the tallest building in LA.
Tallest west of Chicago. We just went to the Conan show and Warner Brothers tour.
We're going into Conan now.
Woo! Conan time!
And now we're going down the slide. There she goes. Count the helipads. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to a helipad.
We're at Pink's Hot Dogs, very famous place in LA, and it's been around since like 1940, so we're gonna go get some hot dogs. So we're in our American flag onesies, and we are about to win. Let's make it here! We are at James Cordon show. This is cardboard karaoke. We are at the movie premiere for The House. So we're about to walk through Hollywood Boulevard and go to the theater. Here we go! Into the premiere. See how everyone's done. This is all so crazy. Everybody's here so famous. Look at everyone. We just found out there's free popcorn and soda. That changes the game. We're all about this now. Found our seats. Got our popcorn. Pretty good view. We're digging this movie already.
I've seen it all upon the silver screen. The happy faces and a sign upon a hill. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
New week, new car, and it's 86 degrees here in LA at the Griffith Observatory.
Living on Sunset Boulevard, maxing out all my credit cards.
Living my own family story.
Today is Thanksgiving, and instead of eating turkey and mashed potatoes right now, we are driving to somewhere that is even more fun, and that is Universal Studios Hollywood. It's almost Christmas, so I guess it's like a month, but it doesn't feel like it should be Christmas time, but there's the tree.
First ride of the day is always the bathroom. One of the best things about being out here in California on Thanksgiving is that the low is about 20 degrees higher than the high in Pennsylvania right now.
We're on Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills. All kinds of good stores. There's our hotel, the Luxe. Pretty cool to be right there. This is our view at the Luxe Rodeo Drive. For watching the Macy's Day Parade. And it's an awesome day. We're super grateful.
Just underneath the surface of that water is this deep pit of that black tar.
That's crazy that just
amazing.
Like popping up over here.
Yeah! Palm trees! California! This is so cool. We get to see where their studios are.
So this is the reality of the urban lights. You can't even see all the people because the lights kind of hide them, but it's impossible to get a single shot without someone in it. Here goes Emmy. She's all ponchoed up. All right. Woo!
You're welcome.
Way to go.
We're here with Conan.
Which one is the wax figure? She moved. Give your acceptance speech.
I thank God, my husband, and my country.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.